Hey, it's Sophia Lily, and today I want you to take a fresh look at something sitting quietly in your kitchen. That little box you've probably used for cookies or cleaning your fridge. But what if I told you it could actually help boost your stamina, energy, and overall male vitality? Let's get into the science-backed truth. No hype, no gimmicks. You know that small, unassuming box of baking soda hiding in your kitchen cabinet? Turns out, it's not just for deodorizing your fridge or making pancakes fluffy. It could actually be doing something powerful inside your body. Let's talk real science, not magic tricks. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural alkaline compound, and one of its key roles in the body is balancing excess acid. Why does that matter? Because a lot of what we eat, from fast food to coffee, pushes our body toward a more acidic state. That imbalance can lead to inflammation, fatigue, and poor circulation. Now here's where it gets interesting. When your body is too acidic, even everyday things like climbing stairs, hitting the gym, or yes, sexual activity, can drain your energy faster. That's because your muscles build up lactic acid, which lowers pH and causes fatigue. But baking soda acts like a buffer. It helps neutralize that acid and keeps your energy going longer. In fact, athletes have used this method for years. It's called soda loading, a safe, natural way to extend endurance by supporting your muscle function. But this isn't just for the gym. Better stamina and circulation also mean better performance in the bedroom. And no, it's not some overnight miracle. It's chemistry, real, natural, and supported by research. A small amount, like 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon dissolved in water, taken 30 to 60 minutes before physical activity can make a noticeable difference. Just make sure it's fully dissolved and don't overdo it. More is not better. Of course, if you have high blood pressure or are on a low sodium diet, always talk to your doctor first. Safety always comes first. If this opened your eyes to something new hiding in plain sight, let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried baking soda this way? And hey, if you're into simple science-backed tips that actually work, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on that little bell. I've got so much more to share. This is Sophia Lily. Stay sharp, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.